Good evening, Fistborn City. I am Moody Reinhold, and I am going to bring to you a dangerous secret behind the branding of Sammy Soda. One that's sending people to the hospital, and possibly worse. Over the past week, emergency rooms have been inundated with cases of acute gastrointestinal illness, all tied to one product, Sammy Soda. And now we'll be interviewing a victim of Sammy Soda, Mr. Anti.
I've been drinking Sammy Soda for years. It was just part of my routine. I never thought twice about it. It's everywhere. Corner stores, vending machines, even the schools have it. Last week, I had 2 cans during lunch. Within a few hours, I started feeling nauseous. I thought maybe it was food poisoning. But then the cramps kicked in, and I couldn't keep anything down. By the time I got to the ER, I was completely dehydrated, in pain, and disoriented. They ran blood tests and asked what I'd eaten. The only thing that stood out is Sammy Soda. Doctors told me I had signs of chemical exposure, not just bad food. That's when I got scared. I thought I was going to die over a can of soda. There's no warning label, no recall notice, nothing. I could have given this to my little brother. People trust what's on the shelves. We assume it's safe. Sammy Soda broke that trust. Now I have to take medication just to eat without throwing up. I'm exhausted all the time. And for what? So a company could save a few cents using banned ingredients? Someone has to answer for this. People are sick. Some are worse than me. This isn't an accident. It's a disaster.
Alright, thanks for spending your time for this interview, Anti. Now we're joined now by Dr. Mai, a toxicologist and food safety expert, who's been analyzing the ingredients found in Sammy Soda. Doctor, thank you for being here.
Thank you, Moody. It's crucial we talk about this.
Let's get straight to it. What exactly have you found in Sammy Soda that's raising alarms?
In short, substances that have no business being in a soft drink. Independent lab results show high concentrations of 4-methylamidazole, which is a byproduct of caramel coloring and classified as a possible human carcinogen. We also found propylparaben, a preservative banned in several countries, and trace levels of benzene-related compounds. These are toxic, and long-term exposure is associated with serious health risks.
Cancer-causing ingredients in a drink that's sold at gas stations and school vending machines.
Exactly. What's even more concerning is the lack of transparency. These chemicals weren't listed on the label. That's a major violation of food safety standards. This is more than a poor oversight. It suggests deliberate mislabeling or complete disregard for regulation.
How dangerous are these compounds in practical terms? People are asking, if I drank 1 or 2 cans, should I be worried?
Acute symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain have already been reported. Those are likely linked to bacterial contamination or high chemical content. But it's the long-term effects we're worried about. Regular consumption, especially among young people, can increase cancer risk, disrupt hormone function, and impair liver health.
Are there regulations in place to prevent this?
Yes, strict ones. But enforcement is another matter. If Sammy Soda was skirting safety tests or falsifying ingredient disclosures, this could lead to massive legal consequences. What we are seeing now is a textbook case of corporate irresponsibility.
Dr. Mai, final question. What's your message to the public?
Stop drinking Sammy Soda immediately. If you have any symptoms, even mild ones, see a physician and report the product to your local health authority. This isn't just a bad batch. This is systematic failure.
Dr. Elaine Mai, thank you for your insight. This investigation is far from over. As investigations continue and more victims come forward, one thing is clear. Sammy Soda is no longer just a soft drink. It's a symbol of a dangerous breach of public trust. We'll continue to follow this developing story and bring you updates as they unfold. For FistNews, I'm Moody Reinhold. Stay safe, stay alert, and stay tuned.